I'm recording.
Oh, this is part 2.
I'm scared to stick my finger down in there.
Ah,
I don't know.
this is chocolate stuff. This
It's
bad is
not that
bad.
I think I'm ready to play with it.
It's not that bad.
Mine's not that bad.
Can you play with it?
Yeah.
Do it. Grab it and play with it. Come on. Ooh, that's not working now. Ooh. Give it a try.
It like falls apart.
Yeah, it's gonna be really sticky.
Well, this is our slime, and this is part 2, so go check out part 1 if you're watching this video. So don't keep on watching because you gotta check out part 1, of course.
If there's parts, check it out. Has like chunkies.
Ooh. Do the thorn test.
What's this one?
I'll show you.
Oh yeah, I remember.
And then you have to stretch it, which this doesn't slap. Stretch.
Try to make it into a ball and see.
Oh, that needs more cornstarch. Wow.
Bailey, try to make yours into a ball.
Cornstarch. Ooh. Ooh, that's cool. And you can eat this, so it's even cool. Eat. It's good. You don't like it?
I don't like
Oh, well, it doesn't matter. We can just play. It's fine.
it.
I might need more cornstarch. Ooh, it's starting to turn into slime. And just have to play with it. You have cornstarch on your hand. Make sure you have cornstarch on your hands so it won't stick to your hands. That's going to stick to your hands. That's going to be a mess. This is what people have to do. If they're baking stuff, they have to use that stuff to put it on their hands so it won't stick as much. I might need more cornstarch. Oh, yeah. I need more cornstarch. This kind of looks like pea. Kind of. Ooh, whoa. Okay, now it's working.
Hi.
You don't have yours in your hand.
Yes, I do.
I have all of mine. Well, not all of mine. Some it's stuck.
Oh my goodness, that's messy.
Yeah, it's awesome, guys. You have to make some yourself. This is so awesome. If you are a boy, subscribe and like this video. If you are a girl, like and subscribe. If you don't, then you're a girl and a boy, I guess. And if everybody, we can see how many people are watching, say how many views. If we don't see the likes,
Guys,
then
look at my slime.
Okay.
So anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, then like the video, you click the thumbs up button.
I know how to like.
I know, but I'm just showing them what I'm talking about because there's 2 different types of likes. Oh, that's our cat Kitty, by the way. She's so cute. Aren't you so pretty, Kitty? Oh, she's so wonderful. I love her.
Guys, look at my hands. They're a mess. I gotta really.
I'm a mess.
I'm embarrassed. I don't trust no one no longer. I'm a mess. Oh, your love, baby.
Bye. I'm a monster. Bye. I'm gonna eat you if you don't like and subscribe.
Right.